So this is Cruisin To A Castle with a stop at Casey's for gas. I think that lady there noticed my hat with a GoPro on it. Most people seem not to notice, but she's giving me a silly smile.
She probably gave you a silly smile because she was so embarrassed that she had to fill up her own gas and pay for it with her husband standing there like a dude.
That's right. Could never be us.
Never.
Okay, so we're still cruising to a castle. Just had to get gas first.
destination.
That was so sad. The
That
guy
was-
literally just like standing there like an idiot.
And she had to fill up all those little gas cans.
And all he did was screw the top on and put it in the car.
I know.
You have arrived.
Okay. Nice. Where's my castle? Is that my castle?
There it is.
I think everyone's turning around here. What do you reckon? Is that a castle?
Yep, I guess so.
Close enough, I guess. What, you want pictures?
Oh, look at, we're here.
Are you in Missouri? Or Missouri?
I'm in Missouri.
Because we are in Missouri. Wet. You remember we had an umbrella in the trunk and I took it out when we packed?
Yep.
My bad.
Pedal foreshadowing.
What?
Pedal foreshadowing.
Oh yeah. Alright, well. That looks like a tower. Okay, I found a better parking spot, by the way. And we're making a run for the castle here. Or a walk. Making a walk for it. Julia said she didn't want to run. For reference, we are very wet. The water, the camera is mostly waterproof. Water resistant, at least. Can't dunk it in like a pool of water, but it should be fine as it is. How far of a walk is it up to the castle?
It's not big.
Okay, thank you.
Where that big guy is.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
I do feel like I'm in a rainforest. Reckon it's a forest and there's rain. I can kind of see the castle way over yonder. I did say, how much wetter could we get? Well, I got my answer. A lot more wet. I feel a lot more wet than I was earlier. You can only go up to that gate. Sorry. At least it's free. I might go shirtless on the way home.
Wet.
Sheesh. Okay. Yeah, there's the castle. Ready? I mean, I guess we can walk around the other side if you want, but pretty dang wet, to be honest. You don't want to, then we don't have to. Alright, let's go. Alright, we got a little wet there. And the castle really wasn't that interesting. So I feel a little bad for making us do this. Well, very bad. We're also going to skip the next...
Turn right onto Missouri D.
We're going to skip the next two things I had planned, which were Elephant Rock State Park and another little, like, scenic view I think it's technically the highest point in Missouri was the other spot that I was going to go to. We're going to save a little bit of time and we're going to go see the Arch in St. Louis. It only adds like 7 or 8 minutes to go see the Arch versus if we were to drive straight from here to our hotel. So we're gonna go see the Arch.